Today guys, I show you how to fix Windows Update stuck at 0%. All you need to do guys, just press Windows button and type like me settings. Open it and move here down to update and security, open it and you will see here check for updates. Click on it and wait for this. Also if you have this, check this on. After that, if you still have problem, just here on same page, update and security, scroll here down and you will see troubleshoot, open it. Go here additional troubleshooters and you will see here Windows Update, click on it and go here run troubleshooter and wait for this. After finishing this like me, you can now close this tool and restart your PC. After restarting PC, press again Windows button and type like me update and you will see check for updates, open it and go check here for updates. After that, Windows Update should be working normally. That's it all guys for this video. If you find this useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.